The James Webb Space Telescope has recently transmitted an astonishing message that left NASA scientists speechless. As the largest optical telescope in space, it has been observing various sections of our vast universe for a significant period, uncovering a multitude of cosmic phenomena. However, the latest image has sent shockwaves through the world of science and astronomy. What extraordinary sight has the James Webb Telescope captured? Could it possibly have photographed evidence of extraterrestrial life in the furthest reaches of space? Join us as we delve into the eerie new images recently revealed by the James Webb Telescope, pictures unlike anything we've ever seen before. If you're eager to stay updated on news from the universe and its mysteries, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and activate notifications. NASA's $10 billion James Webb Space Telescope was launched from the European Space Agency in French Guiana. Once positioned in its celestial home, this infrared observatory provided breathtaking views of the cosmos to scientists and astronomers. As the most advanced space telescope to date, researchers were thrilled to see the first scientific images captured by the telescope. However, what they saw nearly froze them in disbelief. When the James Webb Telescope turned its instruments toward the famous pillars of creation, it captured the iconic dust clouds in exquisite detail. Located in the constellation Serpens, roughly 7,000 light-years from Earth, the pillars of creation are part of the Eagle Nebula, massive clouds of gas and dust first photographed by the Hubble Space Telescope in 1995. Since then, the immense beauty of the pillars has been revealed. The new image from the James Webb Telescope presents the pillars of creation in even greater detail, with stars visible that were not apparent in Hubble's earlier photo, some of which formed only a few 100,000 years ago. This marks a remarkable scientific breakthrough, yet it's difficult to conclude definitively if they represent signs of extraterrestrial life. The James Webb Telescope has also examined the Pandora cluster, capturing a mesmerizing image inspired by Greek mythology, where Pandora's curiosity opened a box releasing all the world's troubles. In a similar fashion, the James Webb Telescope has achieved something groundbreaking by focusing on a region of space known as the Pandora cluster, a concept first proposed by Albert Einstein in 1915. These new images have baffled researchers, revealing unknown details in this sector of space. This region, properly named Able 2744, is part of the Pandora cluster, emerging from the observation of distinct structures within it. Although this area has been seen before, only the central portion was previously studied by the Hubble telescope. This suggests that vast secrets remain in this fascinating area of space until the James Webb Telescope directed its powerful infrared instruments there. Utilizing its near-infrared range and NIRCam as part of a deep observation program, the observing team captured roughly 5,000 infrared light sources in the Pandora cluster, located about 3.5 billion light-years away. The resulting panoramic image achieved an extraordinary balance of depth and breadth, potentially altering our understanding of cosmic evolution. A standout feature in the image is a bright star in the Milky Way with remarkable diffraction spikes, created by the James Webb Telescope. Also visible are luminous sources of white light surrounded by a dim glow, corresponding to more distant galaxies in the Pandora cluster. Although advanced human technology is key to observing this galaxy cluster, astronomers also relied on a natural phenomenon introduced by Einstein's theory of general relativity, first published in 1915. Along with these exciting findings, the James Webb Telescope has captured other puzzling cosmic phenomena, leaving scientists unable to fully explain them. One such mystery involves concentric rings around a distant star that cosmologists have yet to understand. The image was posted on Twitter by a citizen scientist, sparking widespread debate and commentary within the scientific community. The image depicted star WR140 encircled by regular wave-like patterns that slowly faded. Interestingly, these rings were not perfectly circular but had a square-like appearance, leading to speculation about potential extraterrestrial origins. However, some scientists argue it could be a natural occurrence that appears extraordinary from a specific viewpoint. Even so, questions linger about why the rings have such a unique shape and regularity. These questions have perplexed researchers like Smith, who isn't the only one grappling with this enigma. Mark, a researcher with the James Webb Science Working Group, described the image as strange. In a Twitter thread, he explained that the sharp blue design is an artifact caused by the diffraction from the bright star WR140, though the red band is real and represents a series of shells around WR140 in space. Although NASA is expected to address this soon, it is likely to make an official announcement soon. Generally, young stars shine bright blue, but over time they redden as they burn their fuel and cool down. Astronomers didn't expect to find old red stars in the early universe, which is exactly what the James Webb Telescope was designed to observe. Additionally, it found galaxies up to 1 billion times larger than the Sun. According to Joya, the most massive galaxies in their sample have masses between 2 and 10 times less than that of the Milky Way. This discovery is surprising, as galaxies as massive as ours were discovered when the universe was only 3% of its current age. Before rewriting cosmological theories to explain how these galaxies formed so quickly after the Big Bang, astronomers need to verify that these strange red specks are what they appear to be. Nonetheless, most alternative explanations would also require new theoretical models. For instance, stars in the early universe may have emitted light in unusual ways due to a scarcity of heavy elements that aren't accounted for in our models. The images that unveiled these mysterious galaxies were captured using near-infrared cameras as part of the Cosmic Evolution Early Release Science program. The team plans to revisit these galaxies soon to gather more spectra from these distant objects. Spectra break down light into frequencies, revealing the chemical and physical properties of the source. Most importantly, spectra give precise distances to these objects. As Leah notes, distance and identity are linked, knowing one helps establish the other. In 6 months, the images from the James Webb Telescope have already prompted researchers to reconsider established theories about the early universe. Peering into the early universe for the first time has led to discoveries so unexpected that they challenge the entire framework of galaxy formation. One of the most astonishing new images from the telescope shows the phantom galaxy, which resembles a wormhole swirling before our eyes. Based on deep space data, the image of NGC 628, also known as Messier 74, reveals intricate dust lanes. Though the phantom galaxy has been imaged before by other space observatories, such as the Hubble Space Telescope, the James Webb's near-infrared imaging brings out vast details of dust and gas that were previously unseen. The Webb telescope is ushering in a new era of galactic discovery, expanding our understanding of the universe in profound ways. Its observations are not only deepening our knowledge of cosmic structures but also raising provocative questions about the universe's nature and the fundamental cycles that govern it. As JWST continues to provide groundbreaking data, it is transforming modern cosmology and challenging long-standing theories. One of the telescope's key missions is its ability to peer into the early universe with unparalleled clarity. By capturing light from the earliest galaxies formed after the Big Bang, the telescope offers crucial insights into galaxy formation and evolution. These observations allow astronomers to better understand the conditions that led to the development of large-scale cosmic structures. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, recently transmitted images that left NASA researchers astonished and silent. As the largest optical telescope in space, it has been examining vast regions of the universe for quite some time, unveiling numerous cosmic phenomena. However, a recent photograph has sent ripples through the scientific community, shaking both astronomy and astrophysics. What did the telescope capture that caused such a reaction? Could this image potentially show evidence of alien life in the farthest corners of the cosmos? Join us as we delve into the groundbreaking new discoveries captured by the James Webb Space Telescope, including visuals that have never been seen before. If you're passionate about staying updated on cosmic exploration and the mysteries of the universe, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and activate notifications. The $10 billion JWST, launched by NASA from the European Space Agency's site in French Guiana, has since reached its cosmic station, providing scientists with remarkable infrared images of the universe. Researchers eagerly awaited its first batch of scientific data, but what they saw left them stunned. When the JWST directed its powerful instruments towards the famous pillars of creation, it captured the well-known dust formations with unprecedented clarity. These towering pillars, located within the Eagle Nebula in the constellation Serpens, lie about 7,000 light-years from Earth. Initially photographed by the Hubble Space Telescope in 1995, these gas and dust formations have become iconic. Now, the James Webb Telescope has offered a view in even greater detail, revealing stars that were previously invisible, some of which only formed a few 100,000 years ago. While this marks a significant scientific breakthrough, it's still uncertain whether these developments are connected to extraterrestrial phenomena. In another awe-inspiring capture, the JWST imaged the so-called Pandora cluster, a celestial region that, much like the myth of Pandora, seems to unleash new mysteries for scientists to grapple with. The area in question, scientifically known as Abell 2744, had been partially observed by the Hubble telescope, but the JWST's new data exposed structures and details previously unknown to astronomers. This image challenges long-standing perceptions of the cluster's composition and hints that many secrets remain hidden within this distant region of space. Using its state-of-the-art infrared sensors, the telescope managed to reveal around 5,000 light sources in the Pandora cluster, located approximately 3.5 billion light-years away from Earth. The image delivered an extraordinary balance